Siman Kuf Chesif Aleph. The pasuk says Ushmartem es hamatzos, that you should guard the matzahs. From here the Chachamim learn out that not only do you have to make sure that the wheat does not mix with water to turn into chametz, but also that you should do it l'shem matzos mitzvah. And now, according to some of the Gedolei HaPoskim, they hold that you have to already start the shmira from the time of harvesting. From the time that you harvest the grain, that's when you have to start the shmira of l'shem matzos mitzvah. However, the minig of the poskim is that even from the time of grinding, so a later time, not from the harvesting, even a little bit later, when it comes time to grinding the wheat, that is when it needs the shmira of l'shem matzos mitzvah. However, some say even the grinding is not necessary if the machinery that you're using for the grinding is not powered by water. Then you would not need a shmira from that point of time. You can even only start the shmira from the time of when you're kneading the flour together with the water. However, the Kitzur Shulchan Aruch stresses that the people that are medactic with mitzvahs, they make sure to get matzah that is already guarded from the time of harvesting, and he says that is the proper way to do it also. You should make sure that you get matzah from the time that was guarded from the time of harvesting. He says that also you should make sure that you should not wait till the grain is completely fully ripe, because at that point he says it turns white, and it could be just from the rain going onto the wheat, it can already start the chametz process, and therefore he says you should cut the wheat a little bit earlier, a little bit when it's not yet ripe, and that way you can avoid any problems of the rain turning it into chametz. He says if it's possible for somebody to have shmura matzah the entire Pesach, that's the best. He says, and if not, then at least you should have the shmura matzah for the Seder.